In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to boost Facebook page post. Boosting a post is a simple way to turn something you've already shared into a lightweight ad, helping you reach more of the right people without building a full campaign from scratch. Here's how to do it clearly and confidently. First, open Meta Business Suite. This is your central dashboard for managing your Facebook page and Instagram account. Once you're in, go to Posts and Stories. This section shows everything you've published, so you can quickly find the content you want to promote. Next, select your post. For best results, choose a high-quality post that's already performing well. Videos and Reels usually get stronger reach and engagement, and clear images with short, punchy captions work great too. Avoid boosting posts with low engagement. Paying to promote weak content rarely turns it into a winner. If the post already has solid likes, helpful comments, or a clear business offer, that's a strong sign it's worth boosting. Click Boost. This opens the setup panel where you'll fine-tune the promotion. Start by setting your goal. Pick the outcome that matches what you want most from this post. More messages, more profile visits, or more traffic to your website. Aligning the goal with your real objective helps the algorithm find people more likely to take the action you care about. Now set your audience. You can target people by location, age, and interests, so your message appears to those most likely to respond. Keep it relevant and not too broad. If your offer serves a specific area or niche, reflect that here to avoid wasting budget. Set your budget. Choose an amount that fits your resources and expected return. A modest budget can be enough to validate a strong post, while a higher budget can scale momentum once you see good results. Then choose the duration. Decide how many days you want the boost to run. Give it enough time to learn and perform, but don't let it drag on if it's not meeting your goals. When everything looks right, click Publish to launch your boost. The post will start reaching more people who match your targeting and are likely to engage. A few final tips to lock in success. Prioritize posts that already have traction. Keep visuals clean and on brand. Use short captions that get to the point and include a clear call to action like follow us or send message. And remember, boosting works best when the post clearly communicates your offer and value. That's it. Open Meta Business Suite, choose your post, hit boost, set your goal, audience, budget, and duration, then publish.